everyone, today we are at Sonic, and now my sister Arwen is trying the blue raspberry milkshake with nerds. Let's open it and let everyone see.
Rainbowy.
If you don't know what nerds are, they're a type of candy.
I think it's a fire. What's in our video?
Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Hey, don't try it yet. Okay, so she's going to try it now.
It's sour.
Sour?
It's cold and it tastes like blueberry.
Ooh, good. Can I try?
Yes. I'm gonna try it again.
My tongue's already turning blue. Yours isn't, surprisingly.
Can I try?
If you didn't see our last video, the link to it is in the description down below. And
I'm gonna show them how I try it again.
Okay, she's gonna try it again to entertain. Wait. This video is already long enough, Arwen.
I had one nerd in my mouth and a lot.
Your mouth is blue now.
I see.
Say bye, everyone.
Bye, 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 bye.